Hello, I'm Matthew Jukes, founder of Jukes Cordialities. I've worked for 35 years in the international wine business as a professional wine taster, author and journalist. I've published 14 wine books and have written for over 2 decades the most widely read wine column in the UK in the Daily Mail's Weekend magazine. A few years ago, my now business partner Jack Holohan and I were lamenting the lack of genuinely rewarding and delicious alcohol-free drinks, especially those that work well with all manner of cuisine. So together, we created Jukes, a unique series of super premium alcohol-free drinks perfectly suited for modern, sophisticated adult palates.
The Jukes series is made from the finest all-natural fruit, vegetables, herbs, spices and flowers, which are then macerated in organic apple cider vinegar.
Our Jukes Cordialities are diluted with still, sparkling or even tonic water to make extraordinarily delicious, or, as a highly respected US wine critic recently said, absurdly delicious drinks.
We make Jukes here in Battersea, in a couple of Victorian railway arches. It is here, in a bespoke kitchen, where Melania and her team make, bottle, cap, label, dress and box every single Jukes drink by hand.
We ensure that our ingredients are of the highest quality, using greengrocers that supply the finest restaurants in London. While Jukes drinks are very low in calories and sugar, vegan, halal and gluten-free, they are extraordinarily complex with detailed perfumes, palettes and amazing length of flavour. If you care about what you eat and your body, then Jukes is what you drink.
Jukes taste superb on their own and they excel with food, which is precisely why we designed them. So you'll not be surprised to hear that we're stocked by the finest restaurants, hotels, bars and clubs in the country. The alcohol alternative drinks market is expected to exceed $29 billion by 2026. This is not surprising when 84% of global drinkers say they want to reduce or moderate their alcohol consumption. We have entered this growing market with our very own unique super premium drinks. We launched at the end of 2019 with Jukes 1, a white, and Jukes 6, a red. In the summer of 2020, we launched Jukes 8, a rosé, and in the autumn of 2020, we released Jukes 2, an autumnal red. This summer, we surprised our clientele with a limited edition Jukes 5, another white. As every Jukes hits the market, sommeliers, chefs, foodies, well-being gurus and all manner of newcomers to the Jukes way of life discover, experiment and fall in love with our drinks. Just take a look at what leading experts and our customers say about us. The feedback has been superb.
We sell directly to the consumer through our website with upwards of 15,000 e-commerce customers, and our returning customer rate has tripled since we first started. We also sell directly into the trade, including over 100 elite trade customers in the UK and US.
We're growing fast now and we're going global. We're sending shipments of our wonderful drinks to the US, Australia, Hong Kong, Middle East, Switzerland, the Netherlands and Japan, with over 54,000 units already shipped, and there are a few more markets waiting in the wings too.
At Jukes, we're passionate about looking after our environment. So every element of our packaging is recyclable and all of our arch leftovers are recycled or sent down to the piggies to munch on in the shires.
Our values and commitments are the beating heart of our business, and they are strongly aligned with our customers' beliefs and life choices.
This level of commitment and originality has been recognised by tremendous press coverage internationally, including BBC Saturday Kitchen, Vogue, Sheer Luxe, Forbes, Food and Wine USA and many more.
We have also built a strong social media presence and impactful brand partnerships with Middlesex County Cricket Club of Lords, Matthew Williamson Design and Silver Cross for new mothers.
We are now ready to scale our business globally and become the adult drink of choice for people who care deeply about what they drink. With the funds we raise in this round, we will increase our brand partnerships around the world, power up Jukes' brand visibility and sales in the US, and last but not least, launch a canned Jukes to reach the broader market. We don't make de-alcoholized drinks, we don't make faux drinks, and we never compromise on our consistently high standards. We are Jukes, and we would love for you to join us as we continue to grow.